Hey guys, 5323 here, Grayson here. Today I'm going to be an immature idiot at the Tennessee train show. Ah, ow, ah, my ankle, my ow, what the yay! What the, oh, makes sense. Yay! Let me in. Alright, it is the right area. We're in! We're in! Look at these! Look at that Seaboard System GP30. Look at these F units. Ooh, F09! Jeeps? What the? Trainmasters. U25. Ooh, these are cheap. Ooh, these are actually cheap. I might get one. I might get these. I might get one of these actually. Wow. What? Southern Pacific? No, it's like RJ Corman, bro. RS 11, I think that was. Whoa. If this runs, I might get this. -7. How are you, good sir? Ooh, these are cool. Ooh, I might get these actually. Beans. Freak.
There's a couple and some of the unbuilt kits. Okay, good.
Ooh, there's a lot of box cars here. Ooh. These are from Bachman sets. This one. What the? Why is there a tender here? Branch hunt. Ooh, we got some levered stuff here.
Yeah? Well, look who it is.
Huh?
I'm from the Crossville Model Railroad Club. Don't tell me you don't remember.
I do! I just never realized who you are.
How are you?
Good.
Is Grandma with you?
Yeah, she's just coming in.
Okay.
These are nice looking.
Yes, I haven't seen you for over 2 years.
Yeah.
And you've grown.
Yeah. It's been a while.
Yeah.
How have you been?
I've been great. I've been doing well. How you been doing?
All right.
How's school going?
Pretty good.
Good.
Thanks for searching.
Hey, I'm gonna go look at some other stuff real quick.
I'll be here, buddy.
See ya. That was awesome. Ooh, look at these. Ooh, if only I had like a Walmart. I think I have like $80 in total.
I couldn't beat that either. I'm doing $40. Is that a shark nose? It is! I love these. Another one. FPAs. FPAs. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, N scale. CN. Wow, man, it's mainly H showing, oh.
I like your way of thinking. You come back now.
Ooh. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There. Montana Railing. Some sort of bicentennial. Bicentennial. My fault. Pronouncing it wrong. RS 3, I think. Santa Fe. Ooh. 62. Ooh, we got some more O. What's this stuff? More O? It's mainly O. The Milwaukee Road. Is that a Menards item? I think that's a Menards item. Why are they selling Menards stuff here? It's like $30. Ooh, I want more O scale stuff. Part sources. Sorry guys, I had to text someone. My fault. Sorry. Ooh, we got some stuff here. Ooh, GP20. I love GP20s. Polar Express. Okay, now we're getting into like actual toy trains, like wooden or. Why does this one not even have its gate?
No, it's DCC.
This is my first DCC locomotive.
Nice, dude. Just so you know, the kind of decoder in there, it won't work on just a conventional transformer. You need to have a DCC for it. So if that changes your mind on it.
Alright. Hey, it's DCC on. I'll just set it up. We got to. S2.
Yes, sir. How are you doing?
Good. You sound familiar. Wait. Sam! What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? I'm here looking at trains. What are you doing here?
Doing the same thing. You actually sound familiar.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, like all the time.
You watch Cadence's Rail Yard?
Yes!
That's him.
What's up?
Nice to meet you, sir. We're making a YouTube video right now.
Yeah.
What's up? What's your YouTube channel?
VOIX5323. It's
Here, type it in for me on here.
alright, it's complicated. It's named after a locomotive at the
Well, that's the best thing to name a YouTube channel after. How are you? Good, how are you? Is that a Tommy Gordon with... Yeah. Wait. Do they... Why is it... That's not the normal...
No, it's been switched out. It's been taken apart.
Why does the Express Coach have...
It's the second gen talking board.
What?
Yeah.
VLIX 5323 Productions. You guys better go subscribe. I'm subscribing right now.
Yay!
Which you should do too. Let's see what we got here. Oh, dude, I love that engine in Oak Ridge.
Yeah.
I love that. Dude, I wish they would run that thing again.
What's the story?
Yeah, they only run like
Tethered together.
Those are sound cars. So if you put,
way.
so yeah, so this. I'm sorry. So if you put, so this is EMD steam, EMD.
Oh.
So these have, see that wire in there? So one has a speaker, one has a sound decoder.
Okay.
They work on conventional or DCC, and they just you just tow them along, and they basically they make your
Penn Central.
They make your chugga chugga choo choo noises, so you don't have to.
Yeah.
I know Sam makes those a lot. You know, it's just like I've run a lot of trains with Sam back in my day. You know, he usually does the chuggas, I do the.
Yeah.
It's a good system we have going on.
the Museum 5323s, and they mainly run 9553 and the 800.
Is that the primer GP30? Just that gray one that's just...
Oh no, that's
This is insane.
I forgot its number. The primer GP30.
So, okay, is this...
I'll see you. I am definitely buying something from him, bro. He's like an awesome person. Alright, excuse me? Bro, I actually love that dude's videos, bro. I'm actually so happy that he subscribed to me. Anyways, we got some more O-scale stuff. Ooh, look at that! Going in. New York Central! I'm a New York Central filmer. Ooh! I've seen this on the I Love Toy Trains. Union Pacific. Union Pacific dinghy. We got some shirts here. Hey, Granny. What were you asking?
Would you want one of these?
Maybe. Wow. Oh well. Why now shenanigans? 150 for the whole set? No way.
You know we're telling.
These are so nostalgic. I used to see these all the time in I Love Toy Trains, the DVDs. Heck yeah, bro. I just got a crap ton of nostalgia from that, just from those two engines. Ooh, Wabash. Is this S scale? I've never seen S scale before. If that's S scale.
A scale is the same as American Flyer.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's like a bigger HO.
Yeah, it's between HO and O gauge.
I love that. That's awesome. Ooh. Very nice shell. How much is it? Jeep.
Top right corner, was it $20?
Yeah, 20.
Like that? Yeah.
Ooh. Some more stuff here. Hello. New York Central.
What about that pretty color?
I really like the New York Central.
Okay.
For the East Coast. I love Ford East Coast. It's such a W railroad.
We can't come back.
Ooh. How much is this? Old set. I can't get it probably, but I might be content to get like an older set on like eBay or something. The Central Georgia Heritage Unit. Yeah, this Heritage Unit stalks me. Yeah. Yeah, this Heritage Unit stalked me in 2024 because I would always see it in the summer last year for some reason. And now it's here. Yeah, it's scaring me.
I have a lot of intro stuff that I got. I put them in the box.
What is that?
Yeah. And if you're doing Tennessee Central.
It's a Music City Star.
Yep. And the matching cars are here.
That is awesome.
I haven't done it yet. What? The Tennessee National Star.
Ooh.
Oh, that was the ones I brought you the pictures of.
Yeah.
What the heck? What is that? Oh,
It's the Rocket.
I thought New York Central had it.
No.
Well, yeah, that's $100.
They did it first. New York Central did it first.
Yeah.
They experimented.
Y'all did a good job of getting the Music City Star. I'm surprised they're still available. They're like, yeah, for like the locomotive and passenger cars, they're like $800 total for some reason. Yeah, that is awesome. Alright, let's keep looking. Books?
But I'm using that as kind of a source.
I have this book. DDA 40X, right there. Oh, Alaska. That's actually awesome. Ooh, look at these. Look at these shirts. Color quality. Quenchfield. This is tough. That is tough. Oops. Uh-oh. That car derailed. The car before the caboose derailed. What is that engine? Got some stuff here. The Blue Comet! The Blue Comet! Oh, no, it's not. What the heck? Dude, I actually want to get these shirts. Bro, I might get the Quenchfield. Oh, did someone actually just break something? No shot. I think I just heard something break.
Alright folks, the first door prize of the day. This is a 2022 Corbin gondola with coral covers. It's a Lionel item. Donated by Bob Studio.
What the heck? Rhino
And the winner is
Transit.
Vicky Buck. Vicky Buck from Sparta, Tennessee. Vicky, if you're in here somewhere, come on up to the front.
Did I just win something? What the heck? Bro,
Here she is.
my grandma just...
All right.
I think my grandma just wants something, bro. No way.
This comes in a box. Is this your first time with the show?
Oh, I thought it was something else. Dang it. I thought that was my grandma, Mickey. If only. Anyways, let's continue looking. What is that? New paper?
Big buses are insanely expensive.
Is that Wabash? Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, old train set, Burlington. Fort East Coast. Norfolk Southern. Hershey's. Most of all. Ooh. Passage cars. Do. Alright, I guess it's time to actually start buying stuff now. Alright guys, I made my first purchases, the Quench Road 800 shirt and the Louisville Nashville 405 shirt. That's at the Tennessee Central Railway Museum, by the way.
Alright, we're backwards or forwards? There you go.
I got a Nashville. Oh my god. Oh, look awesome. I got a Nashville and Eastern hat. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Cadence, do something stupid for the thumbnail.
We're hanging out with Grayson here. We got a real brother of the Lifelike right here. You know what Grayson loves? Grayson loves Lifelike, and I know you do too, which is why Grayson.
No.
This original Lifelike switch box with nothing in it is now yours. It's the high-end piece, brother.
$600 right there.
$600.
I think I have a virus on my hands now.
Show me your new hat. Show me your new hat.
Crispy.
Perfect.
Oh, it's 50 free, 30 free. If that was 50 free, 20 free on the, I would have paid like $15 more.
What engine design is that? It looks like a.
I think it's a U-boat. It's a U-boat. It's a U-boat that they just got the nose wrong.
We had a bunch of U-boats.
Oh yeah.
Yep. They're gone now. But
50 free.
we had Alcos there for a while.
Yeah.
Some Gators.
CF7s was their first power.
They just had all the CF7s and Tullahoma scraps.
Yeah,
Tullahoma.
The Caney Fork, yeah.
CF7 was the first thing that pulled the Gunner train.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool. I didn't know that.
The company that owns Caney Fork and Lester, they own another company. They actually have a former Nashville and Eastern GP10.
Yeah, they own
it's
in Alabama.
104.
Or Sequatchie Valley in like Chattanooga. They own that one. That's theirs, right? That's a cool railroad.
Yeah. All the power is UP.
We drive motor cars on the Caney Fork and Western.
First purchase of the day. Well, first model train purchase of the day. Union Pacific Copper.
I've talked to several people around here. Like I said, we don't have to get. But thank you. Appreciate it.
It derailed. Alright, I'm gonna start recording again because apparently I'm just doing like laps over and over, but for some reason every time I do a lap there's always something new, so I'm gonna just keep recording. Like I keep on finding new stuff. Like, where was it? Somewhere around here there was like a Norfolk Southern high hood I really wanted to get. Right here. $3.
I thought you were taking a picture of it.
New locomotive, Burlington GP30. Alright guys, so I won something with this entrance thing. I won a Real Green Cookie box cart for O scale. So yeah, that's awesome. Alright, new purchase, Lehigh Valley Hopper. New purchase, CSX and a Southern metal sign. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see y'all in the next one.